Good morning, I'm Joe. I am the production manager at Wolf Construction Group, and today we're here to talk to you about settling cracks in your home. I know as you guys are all stuck out there just sitting at home, you might be having concerns about these settling cracks. And today we're going to talk about them. They're usually due to structural issues in the crawl space if you have one, or potentially foundation settling problems. And I'm going to show you today a great way to monitor these cracks to make sure you're not having any major structural issues. So let's get started. First, you're going to need some sort of marking device. Today we have a Sharpie. I have a ruler, handy dandy ruler. It's really pretty. I have some masking or painter's tape, and let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some tape and we're going to place it next to the cracks as perpendicular as possible. I have some pre-cut pieces because I'm quite awful at tearing tape for some reason. Okay, we'll get that right up there. Now I would recommend, this is what we have on site today, I would recommend a lighter colored masking tape so that you can really see your mark and so that you may not have to use a permanent marker. Permanent markers, if you do get this on your is very difficult to cover up, so just keep that in mind as we're doing this. Awesome, so let's get the next piece. Get this right here on the side of the crack, like this. Not quite perpendicular, but you know what? I'll take it. Then we're going to use our ruler and our marking device, and we're going to draw a straight line across the two pieces of tape. Once again, keeping in mind to avoid the paint. Now, I'm doing this on a step stool. I would definitely recommend having a step stool or ladder. Please don't use a swivel chair or anything of that nature because that could be dangerous. Just as a little disclaimer for us today. And so what you're going to do is over time, it could be days, weeks, or even up to a year, you're going to monitor this crack and just look for any horizontal or vertical settling, meaning there's separation between the crack this direction or there's separation between the lines this direction. And I just said crack just a minute ago, but you're looking at these lines, and you can even put a tape measure up and write the measurement. What are we looking at there? We'll call that about 1 millimeter right now, and you can write that, and you can monitor the separation between these two over time. And you can even put the date. I don't know the date. That's unfortunate. But you could put the date there. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can then call a local structural repair company and then come out and check it out. Wolf Construction Group, and we can make sure you're not having any issues. Thanks.